$100. Why? Because at the end of the day, man, always give back. Always give back. Always be grateful for what you have. And, you know, spread the wealth. I just made that girl's day. Her entire molecular chemical setup in her body just changed. And that's amazing. It's amazing to have the power to do that for somebody. So, anyways, about to go fill this car up with gas, head home, upload this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it really wasn't anything special, but oh well. It was a good day today, and I love you all, and I will see y'all around. Bye. Alright guys, real quick. Now that I'm home, I say that I have some packages here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, inflatable shit. I'm very fond of penguins, so I bought me a penguin photo album. Because I plan on taking a lot of pictures soon, so, you know. What else do I got here? Yes. My new squatting shoes. See these little shits with the individual shits? Yes, sir. Alright. Well, as I stated before, guys, I think it's been a very productive day. I got my watch, got all my new clothes, made somebody's day, got some more packages, and my little friends here. Oh, and in case you guys aren't aware, or you don't know about, this is Friend, okay? This is the bestest little friend in the whole world. Him name is Puffy, and him just the cutest little baby ebbers, huh? Tell him, say, I'm just a little babies, and I wanna say hi. 'Cause I'm just a little tweener. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, that's it for today's video. I love y'all. And I will see y'all later. All the way up.
I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up.
And that was that, my boys. And that was that, as they say. Puffy, talking like a child. I'll talk however I want to talk, 'cause I'm just little babies. Do you know what I'm saying, my boy? More packages than a stalker. Oh shit. That shit's funny though. Let's see. What's going on this alright. Barthel, Sway's Universe. Oh, I want y'all to hear this one beat though, man. This beat is sick. Where's it at? Hold up. This one. This shit's nice. Good shit, my boys. I got a few other ones here in my fucking open this That beat sucks.